Hello everyone, this is your boy Aiden here. So we're gonna go ahead and go to Discord. We're gonna go scroll up. Of course, when you go into Discord, just make sure you go down. Go ahead and download OpenIV, which we're gonna go over later in this video. So go ahead and go to this link right here. So when you click the link, just go ahead and make sure to push download. There's a couple pop-ups that pop up. Just make sure to close that. And yes, it's gonna say that it's gonna edit your game files. Just go ahead and ignore that. It's not really important. It's completely safe for users and our players on the server. So go and tap that. All right, let it download, and then we'll get right back with you on the download. So we're gonna go ahead and drag this onto your desktop, and it's gonna close this off to make it easier for us. Now it's gonna open up your application data. So go ahead and right click on your 5M, and then you go to your application data and drag that file into your application plugins, okay? And then you should be great to go. It's not gonna say replace because you don't have it in there already. So just like before, we're gonna head and go back to the Discord. We're gonna go back into the blue line. And then we're gonna go ahead and go, instead of going upwards, we're gonna go to OpenIV. We're gonna go ahead and download OpenIV. Okay, let's go ahead and download it. Click right here. I recommend downloading it anyway. It's just for make sure it works. So go ahead and download OpenIV 4.1. Okay. So I already do have this downloaded, so I'm not going to personally re-download it, as I already have downloaded. So we're going to go ahead and just show you what it will do when you do have it downloaded. So right now it is downloaded, so let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to open IB, go ahead and do Grand Theft Auto and push Windows. Let it load. Now open your OpenIV, then go to Tools, ASI Manager, and then go ahead and install all of these: OpenIV, OpenIV ASI, and Open Camera. Just so that the game can recognize the file that we're putting into the game. So let's go ahead and close it out, and you should be good to go. Now we're gonna be downloading TeamSpeak. As we're gonna be downloading this, and we'll be set up in a second. So go ahead and go to the Discord. I'll go up there. This is so that you know where you are. So go scroll down. Okay, go ahead and click TeamSpeak info. And scroll down, and then go to Google Doc link. Okay, that's all up here. And go ahead and download every single one of these, all three of these. Of course, mine shows add no space is perfectly fine. Go ahead and download that. Oh god, I suck at this. We're gonna exit out that. Alright, let's download this. Let's go ahead and download all three of these, okay? Personally, I would drag these onto your desktop. This will be easier to access later when you start to set up your TeamSpeak. So go ahead and drag these over here, and you should be good to go from there. Let's go ahead and set up TeamSpeak. So I already have TeamSpeak downloaded, as I said earlier, with OpenIV. So go ahead and continue this. You guys can go through all the settings, make sure that you completely finish it. Of course, you got to read the documents. Just go ahead and just scroll down and just accept it, okay? Now install it, get a shortcut on it, and then we're going to go ahead and open it in just a second. So let's go to Tools, let's go to Options. Okay, let's go make sure to check your mic and your headset. So this is playback, so make sure that's your headset or whatever you're using for your sound bar, anything like that, preferably a headset. And you definitely do gotta have a mic in the server, so go ahead and get your mic set up for your capture. Very important, make sure you have your buttons laid out, your mapping buttons. So I use my controller button. So that's why you can use when you're in a police chase or 1070 or anything you're doing in the server as a LEO officer. Make sure you have that enabled, okay? So go ahead and install the two plugins. So go and tap on them, go and push install, and it should install automatically. Do it for both Radio FX and Sonora CAD, and it should be good to go. And it's automatically put in there. Just make sure your capture device and your headset's all good. Alright, so for now, we're going to go ahead and install the CAD information. So basically what it is, you basically have this in game. You can do /CAD. and it will help you look at your CAD. So go ahead and scroll up here, go ahead and click the link. Now, of course, I already have all my stuff set up, so I'm going to kind of guide you through it. Basically, I am going to guide you through it. I'm just going to do everything that you normally do. So, of course, I'm going to join the community, and this is where you go back to Discord, and you go look for community ID. It's on the very top. So go ahead, LTD2HU3. Now go ahead and put that in there. Of course, I have it, so I'm going to go ahead and tap blue line. I'm going to log in here. And now this is where if you want to be LEO or Civ, it depends on what department you choose and your call signs and all that good stuff. So now put your civilian or your LEO. So of course I chose civilian for the purpose of this video. So now I'm gonna make a character for y'all. We're gonna make a character. So let's get to it. Of course, I already have several other characters. This is a test character. I'm not going to use this in game. So yes, you can do several other things. You can have a license. So of course, you go ahead and make your license. Go to do DMV. This is mine. I have 3. I have a gun, a license, and a CDL. You can have several license, and it just helps you out for better RPs. It just depends on what you like to do. You can drive trucks. You can be a cool civilian. You can have a gun so you don't get put in jail. Just whatever you prefer. That's what I prefer to do. Alright, so now we're in game. We're going to set up a character with MMP pad. This might take a little bit for some of y'all, but this is just to help out. Let's go ahead and make your pet. I'm gonna be Walter White. Alright, now we get the guns. Go ahead and push F1. Going down to handguns. Preferably go ahead and get a handgun. Be realistic now. Get our handguns, and next we're going to go ahead and get a vehicle. Let's go ahead and do the vehicle options. I'm going to put that gun away. We don't get shot open here. You know what I mean? Let's go over here. We're going to push F1. Vehicle related options. Vehicle options. Spawner. Add-on vehicles. Whatever you want to pick, and go ahead and spawn it. So now go ahead and push F1 once again, and we're going to teleport options. So go to teleport, sync, and then let's go try the 579 house. So push that. Oh, never mind. We're going through the map. Let's go back to Sunny Airfield. That's not a good idea. Hold up. There we go. All right, we're not glitching through the map now. Sometimes that can happen. Now let's get set up for the LEOs. Now this depends on if you are an LEO. Depends on what department you choose. You could be a public cop. Make sure to check the department discords and Discord for public cop information and to get a roster number, just so that you can go into the TeamSpeak and participate with officers and actually enjoy the RPs with other civilians instead of other locals. NPCs. So let's go ahead and get a car, a uniform. Go ahead and do /radar toggle. It goes and takes that radar off the screen up there. You can choose to have that or reset it. So in that case, you do radar settings. All right, let's go ahead and go on duty. So do /duty. It's gonna put you on duty. So go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and do panic tune. So it's gonna be /panic tune. This is so that you can hear panics, and it's very important that you have that on. Now go ahead and do /radio. This is so that you can be in the RTO where all the troopers and sheriffs and other agencies are in your current AOP. Alright, citizens, going to push F11 to go on duty. So I'm going to go on duty real quick. Now, this is what I want you to do again, is going to push F11 again. So we're going to push it. Now, this is how you change your distance from shouting to normal to whisper. So we're going to push it multiple times. In the bottom right corner, you can see it change. Now, after that's done, then you should be good. Now, I just want to say that I appreciate y'all watching this video. Hope it's helped you. Hope it's helped the new citizens of the server, and I hope that you do become an established member of our Blue Line community. It's been a great one, y'all. I hope that y'all can do good, have some fun, and also make sure to check out the Discord for new packs. They're getting cheaper. Very great packs, by the way. I love the pursuit packs. I love the speed packs. Also, to make sure to go by the department Discord and go ahead and apply for state, BCSO, LCSO, Paleto Bay. We just got a new PMU unit. It's a great unit. I love it. It's a boat unit, so go have some fun, y'all. I'll see y'all on server and catch you next time. Goodbye.